Hello again, crushed up fans. Just a really quick video this time. This is a pretty significant milestone release for us. This just made it out to the server a few days ago, and I thought it's worthwhile to cover exactly what has been released. Again, nothing you see here is final. Everything is basically a tech demo that we keep building upon, but this is absolutely exciting for the infrastructure of the project. So let me share with you exactly what's happening here. I've got two instances of Crush Depth running, so basically the equivalent of two players in the same exact game world. And if you guys recall, this is a world scale simulation. So we've got the entire Earth simulated, and here we're just zoomed in on one little boat in the massive world. And what I want to do is to kind of show some of the systems that are now being synchronized across all of the players. So on the left, I have a little debug to allow me to override the settings. And I'll go ahead and I'll just play with the time. And you can see that we have time synchronized on both sides. Again, this is roll time, so depending on your position in the planet, it will of course be accurate. So your longitude and latitude will act accordingly. I'll get into other cool things like nighttime stars and navigating by the stars in a bit. But for now, I'll just leave it here. You guys can see that we have time synchronization. Next up, let's go ahead and create some moderate waves. What you can see is that the waves are exactly 100% synchronized. The boat rides the same exact wave on each client. Using deterministic algorithms, we're able to have the same exact scene on both clients. Same clouds, same waves, same everything. So each player will get to interact with the world with the same level of accuracy. So the waves are the same for everybody. When a wave is coming towards you in your boat, both players are going to see the same wave at the same exact time. That way you are playing in the same exact game world. Again, this is not a small feat. It does take quite a bit of planning and thought and everything else, but here we have it. 100% accurate, deterministic wave synchronization at world scale. So everybody in the entire world, depending where you're located, will have the same exact waves. Let's go back to Calm. Again, you can see there's quite a few things we could control here in regards to the waves and all that, but I'll skip it for now. Finally, we have the weather states. These are just some presets for me to play around with. But you could see the weather is now synchronized as well on both sides. And in the simulation, all of this will be handled by the server. So the server is going to control, depending where you're at, we're going to use historical data, almanacs, and so on to recreate accurate weather patterns, accurate sea temperature, accurate salinity, tides, and so on. This demo really just shows that we have all of this networking code in the MMO framework now. And I've been thinking about changing the name from an MMO to something like MMOS, Massively Multiplayer Online Simulator, to kind of quantify the fact that this is a simulation rather than just a traditional MMO style game. Alright, I promised you guys this would be a quick video. So hopefully you guys can see kind of where we're at. Hop into Discord if you're not already. Consider backing us on Patreon. Grab the tech demo on Steam. Follow us for the journey. We have almost daily updates on Discord, behind the scenes information, so you can see as we code and model everything and follow us along. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. Until next time.